go.
I'm gonna go for this side first. Get that nice difference.
Ready, set, go.
Yeah.
Okay. The worst is over.
Install the new voltage regulator.
Oh yes. I'll pass me that ratchet and extension.
Alternator.
Yeah, well, before we try to get her to bark off again, I'm going to see if I can get the charging system to work.
It is convenient to have a functioning charging system.
And before I get her to bark off, I'm probably going to clean up the ground, engine grounds, and the connections on the starter solenoid. Give it as much help as it can get. Because certainly sure she needs it. Oof.
Gotta knock a few trees down too on the property at some point.
Oh yes. What was that?
Drop the plate for the stove. Out. Don't worry, it's me.
Oh, I'm worried. Alright, that's the stove.
Yep, still gotta put wood in the stove, and it's almost May.
Oh, joys.
Oh, the joys of living in Canada.
Just gonna clean up the terminals here a bit to take away any extra resistance. Oh no, we know the distributor was too far advanced.
Yeah.
So whoever was playing with this 25 years ago, whenever it was last touched, must have been a Chevy guy and tried to retard the distributor a little bit, try and get her to bark off, and instead he advanced it way too far, and then I guess he just gave up on it. So I took the ground cable off to clean it up. I think I'm going to have to replace it. I don't even want to flex it at all because it's probably going to break. It does work, so I'll probably just buy a cable. You can get pre-made cables. But, is that a good battery cable? Grab it. I got a feeling I'm not going to need a amperage meter. I've used amperage for the body control module to
Probably not.
tell the alternator how much to charge, because I don't have one of those there body control modules.
Electrics.
Cable in there will be fine. It would be nice to have the matching one maybe, but we'll see if this reaches. Just like that. That'll do. You want to pass me the wire brush?
Yep.
I'll clean up that block a bit. Little scuff. Like everything cleans up so quickly.
Oh, I get me steak.
Where's your steak?
Oh, there it is. Alright.
Ready?
Sure. Just blowing through the carb again.
That tells me too far advanced, but like how far advanced is it? Unless those plug wires are still fucked up. Haul off every plug wire, because that's what you want to do. And we're gonna rewire it all.
The right way.
With these old wires. And I'm hoping that's a lot of the problem here. engine idling now, finally. There's a bit of a miss there, the plug wires are not happy. Right, I'm gonna check to see if now if it's charging. Oh, 14.2. Perfect. We got a runner. No, it's not running strong enough to back out yet.
Alright, let's see how it runs strong then.
Hey guys, welcome back. I went ahead and done a couple of things without showing you guys and boring you with the process. I got the distributor out of the block. It was C solid. It was a big process of getting it out, but I got it out. Cleaned up the sealing portion, put on a new O-ring, put a bit of grease on it. And then I went to find top dead center on cylinder number 1 just to confirm the timing marks on the crank pulley. So I pulled the valve cover off, make sure the rocker arms are sloppy, and used the screwdriver on cylinder number 1 and brought it right up to the top. So it's top dead center cylinder number 1 now. Both my rocker arms for that cylinder are nice and loose. So that means the valves are closed. So now I can go ahead and drop my distributor in. So I'll bring you guys over, show you how to do it. So, top dead center, cylinder number 1, the distributor rotor button. Got it over here. Needs to be pointed towards cylinder number 1. Now these distributor caps, God love Ford, they actually marked cylinder number 1 on them. And it only go on one way. So I went ahead and I marked the distributor housing here. Oh, this is genuine too. Motorcraft. Sorry, off on a tangent. So now I should be able to just drop this right in cylinder number 1. And it's not going to work like that, but could be hopeful because I got to line up the cam gear, and in here goes the oil pump, and that's a hex drive, and I'm going to have to turn the engine 100 times now, so I'm sure that's going to be right where I want it. But anyway, maybe I'll drop it in first try. Who knows? Probably not. But I really don't think it's going to go off of that. We'll try. Well, I'm going to pump the accelerator pump once. Do we even have any gas left? Yep. So we got the old girl home, pushed it inside. That was a task in itself. But thanks guys for watching. I'm hoping to be able to do a few more of these revivals of getting old trucks and cars and whatever else is sitting in a field for however long and bring them back to life. And I'm excited to work on this one and bring it back to its former glory. So stay tuned and like and subscribe and keep up on the build.